You are now watching the Story Box.
Once upon a time, there was a Finnish company called Nokia that had humble beginnings as a paper mill in 1865. It wasn't until the 1980s that Nokia began to focus on telecommunications and became one of the biggest names in mobile phones. In the early 1990s, Nokia released the first mobile phone with a built-in antenna and quickly gained popularity with its sleek designs and user-friendly interface. By the late 1990s, Nokia had become the world's largest mobile phone manufacturer, with its devices being used by millions of people around the globe. In the early 2000s, Nokia continued to innovate, releasing phones with color screens, built-in cameras, and even music players. However, the company faced increasing competition from other manufacturers, such as Apple and Samsung, and struggled to keep up with the rapidly changing mobile phone market. In 2014, Nokia sold its phone business to Microsoft and shifted its focus to other areas, such as telecommunications infrastructure and digital health. Despite the challenges it faced in the mobile phone industry, Nokia remains an important part of Finland's history and economy. Here are 5 interesting facts about Nokia. The name, Nokia, comes from the Finnish town where the company was founded. Nokia was the first company to release a phone with a built-in camera. The iconic Nokia ringtone, which was composed by Spanish musician Francisco Taga, is said to be heard by over 1 billion people daily. Nokia has been a major player in the development of 5G technology, which is set to revolutionize mobile communications. Nokia's headquarters in Espoo, Finland, features a mobile phone throwing area where employees can test out the durability of Nokia phones by throwing them across a room. Despite its ups and downs over the years, Nokia remains a symbol of innovation and technological advancement in Finland and around the world. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to the Story Box.